Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video today I am going to show you how you can easily enable HDR on Windows 11. For enabling Windows 11 HDR options, first of all you have to right click on this window icon and go to your settings. After going to settings, click on it. Settings window will pop up here. On the left side you have to go to system, then on the right side you will click on the display options. After clicking on display option, you will see the option called HDR. You have to click on this particular HDR option. After clicking on this HDR option, this window will open. Here you will be able to enable HDR in your PC or Windows 11. So you can see that you can select any of the display. If you have multiple displays, I have currently one display only. I will choose setting for this only. Here you will see below option HDR video streaming. You have to enable this particular option so that your HDR settings get enabled in your PC or Windows 11. I have already enabled this. You can enable this, and some of the extra advanced setting you have below, you can also explore them. But for enabling HDR, you have to just enable the particular HDR video streaming option. I hope this video worked in your PC or Windows 11. Thanks for watching this particular video.